Hello guys, and welcome back to the plot in January. It's 10th of January today and we are under snow still. Got a very hard frost last night, so it's very frozen, so we're not going to get much done today, but we'll get done what we can get done. These trees here, I've bought a brand new chainsaw that you'll see, and we are going to cut those trees, or attempt to cut those trees down today, ready for the spring sunshine to get on the new crops that we plant. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and unload the car. I've bought the polytunnel down, which will be going here, so that will be going up in the next few weeks, hopefully, weather permitting. I just want to say an absolutely huge thank you to everybody that's subscribed from the Allotment Rant Association video. Got some absolutely brilliant comments. I've also got some critical comments, and that's what I wanted. That's exactly what I wanted. It's exactly what I asked for. So I'm really happy with that. I don't see them as negative comments in any way, shape or form. Everybody has their own opinion on the progress that I should have probably made in the time that I've had it. Once the snow's cleared, I will give you a tour around the actual plots. We've got 52 plots. I think I'm in the top six plots on the allotment as it stands. Somebody did make a comment about the edges and the grass. So we are an inner city allotment, so we encourage wildlife. So the edges are left as grass, so they have somewhere to be. I will be this year hoping to make some habitats in sections of the plot for wildlife, so you can join me doing that as well. 2026 is going to be a big year for this channel. I've got to a point now where I'm pretty satisfied that once the polytunnel's up, like in where the polytunnel is here, this is going to be flowers up to here, and then there's going to be wildlife here and a few more plots here. I'm quite satisfied that the committee will be quite happy with that. Well, here's hoping. And we can just get on and niggle about on the videos and do what we do, planting and sowing and expanding in different little areas. I've got a well in the corner. I really want to work on that this year. But without any further ado, we will go and get everything in from the car, and I'll pick up with you in a second. So I'm going to unload that into the shed. I need to sort the shed out a little bit. Oh wow, just noticed the back wheel on that trolley is absolutely shot. Yikes. I'll show you that in a second. So the polytunnel weighed 37.5 kilograms, so there's no way I was carrying that all the way from the car. Thank God for the trolley, but it looks like it needs a new wheel. Do we agree? That's crazy. Right, I will be back with you when I've probably got a drink and possibly a pot noodle. So I've mostly put everything in the shed, and now I am going to try and start this for the very first time. I've only just purchased it. I've already put the chain on at home, and that's chain oil, and I've already mixed the fuel 40 to 1. It's the £80 version from B&Q, the FPC SP 463. Reviews are pretty good. People say it's pretty reliable, but time will tell. I wish I had a better place to do this, but you have to make do with what you've got, right? So we're going to do the chain oil first. Just thought about, I'm going to have to open the top of this as well. Hang on, 1 second. Thank you, Tracy, for this wonderful knife. That's my sister. You have to smell everything. You know. Well, that went wrong. Let me just get a rag. This is going to pour more out as I push this in. Well, that's not a good start on a brand new tool, is it? I'm sure that's not the first or last time that I'm going to do that, to be fair. Right, let's try and be a bit more careful with the fuel. We did get a little bit of a spill there. Make sure there's no leaks. Fill up the bulb. Right, the bulb is on. So let's just move you here. So switch on, 6 pumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, choke out, choke in once it goes. Go see if this will cut the tree. It's a lot later.
Just why I am setting up the camera here, please do wear protective gear when using a chainsaw. I was supposed to put mine on, but I totally forgot once I'd cut the first branches. So please do wear protective gear, especially eyewear, and probably some ear defenders.
So I'm losing light pretty quick, so I want to get as much of this down as possible. So I'm just going to get on with it, and then I'll catch up with you shortly. So now I'm cutting it. Most of it seems like it's dead, like it's just brown in the middle. So this might be completely going, but we're going to allow it till early spring, see if anything comes from it. If not, then we're going to take it all out. Right guys, that's as much as I'm going to get done today. We've lost most of the light now, and I'm exhausted, to be fair. So all this came out of here. I will finish that off next time I'm down. I need to bring my smaller clippers really to get through the bramble and stuff that's left in there. Hi guys, I forgot to do a decent outro yesterday. I've just been to the football and bought some compost down to the allotment that I got from B&M. 3 bags for 15 quid, not bad. It's an all-purpose, but I'll show you that in a later video. I'll show you, I'm taking one home. I bought 2 here, but taking one home to do chilies, a chili setup that I've seen on another video. So thank you ever so much for watching, and please do comment, like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video, which should be the seed video. So take care and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.